Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. I am here to show you this journal that I just completed and it will be available for sale. I was inspired by Tonya Samuels here on YouTube, or Let's Design. I forgot the name, but she's also on Instagram. I also use her digital. She did a tutorial on how to put this together. Hers was the front here is a little bit different. It was more curved and stuff like that. But I drew a lot of inspiration from what she did, and I made this with this beautiful fabric. I really love this fabric, and so this is the front. This is the top, the bottom, the side, and the spine is 6 centimeters wide. It measures 21 centimeters by approximately 15. And let's go right inside. It has this closure that, of course, you can change if you wish. You can get a green or a dusty pink or a, darker color, even black or even white is fine. So it's one of these lap booky type journals. And as I said, I use the digital kits from Let's Design Creatively. That's Tonya Samuels. And I loved it. Very, very beautiful kit. So here on the first page, you have these two pockets with closures. And we just have a few of the ephemera from the kit. I will list the kits down below because sometimes people ask me, and I'll just make it easier for myself by mentioning or providing the name of the Etsy shop and the kit that I used. So this is the top one here. It's upside down. Lovely mushrooms. I used black and I stitched around most of the journaling cards with black thread, and I used the as I keep saying, I've said it before, my favorite color is black. And I made these large journal tags. This is out of a plant flower book. Just made into a large tag on coffee dyed 300-gram paper. So there's a pocket in here, and that slips in there. Then you open this up, and we have a pouch envelope that I always love to make. And inside it we just have a simple journal card that I created, and it's backed onto this ivory card. So use some butterflies, book page, etc. That stays in here. And again, as I said, I stitched around in black thread. It's supposed to be like this, right up through there and down. And then here we have a pocket at the back here, and I've put in these this is a book page, a bird from a bird book. Just put it in here in case anyone is interested in cutting out and using this for some collaging or whatever inside the journal. And this matches this here, so I luckily found this in the book. This is an old plant book that goes in there. And then you just have a pocket here and some tags that I've backed onto ivory card, distressed on the edges, stitched around this pocket. And then we move on to the journaling part of this journal lap book. And I just I have not put any pockets and stuff like that. I just left that to to the owner to do that, and there's plenty of room to grow, as you can see, plenty of room to still get thicker. And this is also Tonya Samuel's digital kit, and I'll just flip through this coffee dye paper. This is beautiful, Tonya Samuel's, goes very well with the coffee dyed paper here. And then we just have some more. This is also from the kit. Also, this is also from an old what is it, bug book and insects. Old, not old, so just book pages, coffee dyed, digitals. Look at this. I always put the prettiest pages in the middle, and I do not decorate or do anything on them. Beautiful colors, more digitals, number of pages, etc. I'll put down in the description below. Digital maps. That's the first signature. This has 3 signatures, and this is just a journaling card that I made. I love this digital as well. Old delicate book page. Mushrooms, plants. Look at this page, love it. And again, I use this for the center because it's beautiful. And so in here we have 90 gram paper, 200 and 160. Different thickness, so you can write with an ink pen, or you can paint and stick heavier stuff without fear of tearing or damaging the page. That's the second signature gone. This is the third and last one. And digitals from Tonya Samuels. Music. Beautiful. This is also I bought this recently from eBay, and it has some beautiful illustrations inside this book. Nice neutral colors to do with what you like. Get creative on. And then we come to this part here where all the ephemera is. So you open it like that. And in here you have some bits and pieces. And you can also flip it down. This is some beautiful fabric. And in here we have a pocket with the ephemera again from the kit. And then it closes like this and folds up, opens outward rather, upwards. And you have a journaling tag here. And another very large one right here, if I can get it. This is just some collaging that I did here on old book page, and some leftover from the kit pages. No, this goes in here. Right, and then the bottom half we have 2 pockets here with ephemera again. You can see, very simple. Large journaling card, tags, And you can write in here. This is for another project I was working on, but the colors just went with the journal, so I put it there. And then we move on to here. I've just put some flowers on here in the middle of this spine area, and then here we just have something that you can store stuff in. And this is just tea dyed paper. Crumple it first, then tea dye it, and this is the effect you get. And that's, wait a minute, and this is a tag from the kit, and that's it. It was very short. And I'm soon going to do a giveaway because the channel has really grown, and I am so grateful and I'm so thankful that so many people appreciate my journals and looking at them. And yeah, I have to do a giveaway for sure as a thank you. And that shall appear, I shall be doing that very soon. So then you close it like that, take it to the back. I love this fabric. I really, really love it. And then just tie it here in the front. And that's that. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you everyone. Thank you very much.